Okay, we're going to solve this equation, but we got a's and b's as the coefficients of these x's. So we're going to solve for x, but we're going to get the answer in terms of these a's and b's. We're not going to get a number. Okay, let's first isolate all the x's to one side. Let's move this b to that side. So if we subtract bx from both sides, we're going to get ax plus 4x minus bx on this side, which is going to be equal to just 6 on this side. And then, if you notice, we have an x on each of these terms. So what we can do is that we can factor out, and we can say x, this stupid top keeps rolling back. We can say x times a plus 4 minus b is equal to 6, because this is the same thing as this. And then we can divide both sides by a plus 4 minus b. If we divide both sides by a plus 4 minus b, we divide this side too by the same thing, a plus 4 minus b. This is terrible. We'll have x isolated on this side, and we'll have 6 over a plus 4 minus b. I know the division looks the fraction looks pretty bad. But there we go. That's it. And we've solved for x in terms of a's and b's. Okay, now let's do this one. A7. And we got this one. We're going to do this one. Let's first distribute this a. So we'll get 7a minus ax. No, I don't need that anymore. Is equal to bx minus 8. Okay, now let's isolate x to this side. Let's remove this b. So minus bx and minus bx. And we'll get 7. We get 7a minus ax minus bx is equal to minus 8. Minus 8, I'm going to remove this part right here. Okay, and now we can remove the 7a and get it to this side. Let's remove the 7a and get it to this side. So we'll subtract 7a from right here. And we'll subtract 7a from right here. So we'll have, on this side, negative ax minus bx is equal to negative 8 minus 7a. And then right here we can take x out. We can take x out and we can make this negative x a minus b, like that, is equal to negative 8 minus 7a. And then what we're going to do is that we're going to multiply both sides by, well, actually, we'll do that at the end. And then what we can do is that we can divide both sides by by a minus b. Divide both sides by a minus b. Both sides, a minus b. And we'll be left with negative x is equal to negative x is equal to negative 8 minus 7a over a minus b. Ow, 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 ow. And there we go. Well, actually, we could multiply both sides by negative 1. If we wanted to, we can multiply both sides by negative 1. And we would get this would no longer be negative x, and this would be multiplied by negative 1 to get, which would just be this, but with a negative sign on front. But it would be equal to this whole shabwanga. Anyway, stay in school.